these are the steps you must take to become a successful self-taught guitarist. Without no further ado, let me introduce myself. I'm Koli Guitarist, self-taught guitarist, and I'll be guiding you through the steps in which you can take to become a successful self-taught guitarist. Without no further ado, I will teach you how to go about it. But first of all, YouTube is the recommended platform I'll recommend anybody who wants to be a self-taught guitarist to learn from, because this is where you'll find any video you want about guitar. But the problem here is, are you going to search and find the right video? So let me teach you how to go about that. First of all, let me get my screen on and we'll be heading over to YouTube. So this is what I'll recommend you do. So for the very first learner, you have not touched the guitar before and you want to learn guitar and you're a total beginner, so this is what you have to do. First of all, you come to your YouTube search bar and you want to search. First thing to learn, just for example, first thing to learn in guitar. So you search. So let's see the first video that pops up. So there will be a bunch of thousands of videos and you want to just check all of them, you know. So this is what the first one says.
Guitar. It's actually easier than people might think. Learning open chords is a great place to start, and some of them even sound good with just 2 fingers. Like, here's a chord progression that you could play only using 2 fingers.
This is not the right video for you, because he just starts up with playing chords and you are just new into guitar and there's no way you're gonna be able to play this. So let's go back and look for the next video. So this other guy says guitar lesson absolute beginner, start here, free 10-day starter. So let's check how the video starts.
Hi guys, my name's Andy Crowley. Thank you for joining me for day 1 of this 10-day guitar challenge where we're going to play guitar for 10 minutes.
So it says we're going to play guitar for 10 minutes
today for 10 days. This day 1 is my absolute beginner's first lesson. So if you were taking a one-to-one private,
all right, so he's saying it's an absolute beginner lesson. So if you're going to take a one-to-one class with him, this is what he's going to start with. So let's see what he offers.
Lesson with me and you'd never even held a guitar before, or you tried it.
This is exactly what we're looking for. If you've never held a guitar before, you've never played any instrument and it's your first time,
a few bits in the past, but it was a long time ago, and this is the guitar lesson that I would be showing you. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play the easiest 2 chords on guitar.
Okay, now he says he's going to teach you how to play the easiest 2 chords.
And then get you playing your first song by the end of this video in under 10 minutes. So if you've never even played...
Playing your first song under 10 minutes, first time holding a guitar, I don't see that possible, but let's see.
The song before, this is the ideal place to start, and let's get you straight in for a close-up and learn how to play these 2 easy chords.
All right, so let's see the chords he'll be using for this instance. Let's see if there will be difficult chords or easy chords.
So the first chord we're going to be learning is the E major chord.
All right, so this is a simple chord and it's easy for a beginner to hold this chord. It's right, so it's not bad to start like this.
Also known as an E chord, and this is where we need to place our fingers to be able to play it.
And also his camera angles will let you see what he's doing actually in his guitar, and he's showing you from a viewer's perspective and also a chord diagram. So you're learning 2 things at the same time. You're learning to view it from the viewer's perspective. You're also learning to understand the guitar chord diagrams.
Now, if your guitar isn't in tune, it doesn't really matter where you put your finger.
Yeah, that's what he was supposed to start with, at least tuning the guitar. So first things, you need to learn how to tune your guitar using the Guitar Tuners app. And a lot of new guitarists don't even know how to string up their guitar, so but you learn that from a lot of other videos, how to tune and all that. So you cannot put that on him, but let's see how he goes about his tutorial.
Fingers on the guitar, it's not going to sound right. There is a video of mine in the description below where you'll find a video showing you exactly how to tune your guitar with and without a guitar tuner. So check out that video first if you suspect that something isn't sounding right here. but I'm going to talk you through a couple of other bits of the guitar before we get fully started. So these metal strips going down the guitar here are your frets, and going.
So this is how you can identify that you're in the right place. You see, he takes his time to break down from chords, from how you should tune your guitar with to the tuning with the tuner and without the tuner, and now he's explaining the part of the guitar, the fretboard, the frets, the strings.
Across,
so it shows you're in the right strap.
We number the strings.
So if I would advise, if you find a channel like this, he has a 10 days lesson, you have to follow that lesson one after the other.
Thinnest to thickest, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
He also shows how the strings have been numbered from the thinnest to the thickest, which is a good way. So this is how to identify videos you should learn. So when you're done with this and you start you've gotten along with whatever he taught in this lesson, then you should know the next step you should go on. So if you've learned a lot of chords from here, then you should know you should start learning how to strum the guitar or how to pick the guitar. So that's my way of learning, of being a self-taught guitarist. Go through videos and make sure you watch videos that are very much explainable, because if you don't get these videos really explained, it's gonna be so difficult and you might be watching the wrong videos at the wrong time. And if you're also a self-taught guitarist, let me know in the comment section. I hope this video was useful, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do also hit the subscribe button. If you have any other further questions, do also let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next video.